Hi, I'm Ashish from SSBeauty and welcome back to our channel. Today our team has something very exciting lined up for you. 4 iconic Bollywood looks that they will be recreating. And I'll be judging these looks and I'm not a very easy judge to please.
Shall we open? It's Pooh!
Oh my god, is this the look that I'm recreating?
Oh my god, it's Rani!
Ooh, I'm doing Alize from Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
I'm really excited to try this out.
Honestly, I don't think I can do justice to this look, but I'm gonna try my best.
I love this look. It's such a beautiful look.
I'm super excited. I love her personality.
But yeah, let's begin with the makeup look.
So these are all the beautiful products that I'm going to be using to create this look. We're going to start with the K-Beauty foundation. It's a cult favorite. So first order of business is the concealer. I will be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Longwear Concealer.
We need concealer to cover our dark circles and our mistakes in life.
Just gonna take very little tiny amount of it.
Blending that in.
So what's one standout beauty trait of your character?
Her eyes. You know, the eye makeup is so vibrant, it's so beautiful, it's so well done. I think pink. I think pink is the highlight of everything Pooh and shimmer.
Definitely her bronzed makeup look. Like I said, she has this very chiseled look going on.
So I love the way Alize does her smoky kajal. I think it's very desi core. I love that look. And I think the look is very versatile. You can wear it with traditional and western attire. So love that.
I think I'm gonna use a contour stick. I'm kind of scared because I've never really used a contour stick, but we're gonna try.
So now I'm going to quickly move into contour. If you will see the look, it's a super well-shaped face. Pooh's makeup base, it's very like chiseled, even though she has like a little baby fat on her face. But it looks cute. I'll be using the Sugar contour palette. So I'm going to be using this MAC Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette.
Just gonna draw like a slight line over here.
Just draw a line.
Okay, now that I'm done with the base makeup, let's quickly move on to her eyes.
The eyes are elaborate, of course, so we are going to end up using the Connect in Color palette by MAC.
I'm gonna do my smoky eyes, and for that I'm using this Plum's I Swear by Kohl Kajal.
It's going to be a bit challenging. The main part of the look, which is the iconic Kajal.
I'm gonna use the Givenchy eyeliner and apply this all over my eyelids.
So if you're done with eyeshadow and if you've lost black ka intensity, you can just go back in with your kajal. That's what I'm gonna do.
So now I'm going to top this up with MAC Black Stack Mascara. The star of the show, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara.
If you would like to add anything to your look, what would it be?
I think I would add some more blush, just like a little bit. I really don't think Rani's look needs anything add-on. I think the cheeks are very minimal, very nicely put on. The eyes are dramatic, beautiful. The contour is subtle but very nice. So I don't think that we need to add anything to this look. No.
Her makeup looks so like spot on and it's so iconic. I think it's perfect as is.
I think it would be glitter because glitter makes everything better and I don't make the rules.
So now I'm going to be going in with this beautiful creme blush. This is my choice of weapon. It's a lip palette. It's a cream lip palette, but I'm going to turn it into a blush.
I'm using K-Beauty's blush in the shade Tickle Pink.
She hasn't put a lot of blush, but I'm a blush girl, so I'm just gonna apply like a little bit of it.
Since Pooh is very subtle with her blush, that's what we're going to do. We're not going to overdo it.
What's your favorite dialogue or scene of the character that you're recreating?
Favorite dialogue, I don't know, but her Desi Girl dance performance, it's something that everybody knows. So definitely this song.
प्यार में जुनून है, पर दोस्ती में सुकून है. It's so cute and wholesome because that's like true.
Everyone must have heard it. तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो.
Not bad.
West Bengal, India में कहाँ है? And he says, West में, obvio. Then she screams saying, Rocky, East में है. And he says, it was a trick question. Moving on to the highlighter.
So the next step I'm gonna do is highlighter. I'm using Bobbi Brown's highlighter.
What I like to do is take a bit of it at the back of my hand. Very little is required, not a lot. And just
So I love this highlighter because it gives a very nice glow from within kind of a look. Right?
So now for my lips, I'm going to go in with a very gentle dab with this Smashbox liquid lipstick.
I'm using MAC's Meher. It's iconic, it's Alize, it's giving.
So I'm going to add a gloss. This is one of my favorite glosses. It's an ABH gloss in the shade Venus.
Okay, I'm done with the makeup look. I'm just going to set the whole thing with this MAC Prep and Prime Fixing Plus Spray.
I'm using this MAC's Fix Plus Spray. I'm gonna lock in my base. This literally smells like roses. I love it.
So that was it for the makeup look.
Time for a quick change.
I just need to go get changed into my Pooh outfit.
So excited for this.
Hurry up. So shake down, hold up. Better to feel it than never believe in it. Shake down, hold up. Moving around until you hit the ground. You better shake down, hold up.
Love the pink pop. Needs a bit more sass, but okay, she gets a 7. I wanted more action from this Desi girl. I will rate her a 5. I love this Alize. Oh my god, nazar na lage. She gets a 9. My favorite look so far. 10 on 10. No questions. Of course, she's the winner. Surabhi's done a great job. I love how she's rocked Rani. She's the Rani of this look. Hope you like this video. I had a lot of fun judging it. And if you want to do a lot more challenges like this, please like, share and subscribe and comment below. We would love to hear what you think of these looks.